Multi-Control Nusantara, founded as a subsidiary company for Buckley and Brothers, designing and manufacturing telephones and teleprinters, was awarded Best Product by the Government of Indonesia. And finally, more than 200,000 telephone lines for Jakarta, Bandung, and Surabaya. MKN ability to transfer rights on several key projects, focusing on system integration and infrastructure projects. New business to be the optic provider, network provider, committed to the government on telco industry. Achievement by winning the tender Palaparing middle package about 3 trillion rupiah from Kominfo. Deploy submarine phone cable, inland phone cable, terminal landing station and IP microwave radio to deliver backbone data services to reach the rural areas in Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Maluku. IoT projects roll out and help organizations solve their business challenges and tap into new revenue streams via IoT technology, such as KPC and PKT. Build competency to become a contractor for PLN starting from 2020.